brought some chips. I have watched Jaclyn Hill's video so many times. I'm here trying to be like, not stressed about it. And let's get this shit started. Disclaimer, I am recreating her look. I love her. I'm a huge fan of her. I think I'm her #1 fan. I've been with her since the beginning, since she started all this, and I'm so proud of her. And I know that she used a couple of eyeshadows there. There are a couple of them that I don't have, but I do have similar ones, which something that she says in the video is that you don't really have to recreate it with the exact same palettes that she puts on the videos. So, and for those who don't know who I'm recreating and haven't read the title of my video, I am recreating one of Jaclyn Hill's makeup looks. It's been going around. That video has been going around in YouTube, like it's a thing. It's the I tried following a blank makeup tutorial. I chose Jaclyn Hill because hello, it's Jaclyn Hill. I actually have one of the eyeshadow palettes that she uses on the video, which is her eyeshadow palette, the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. She created this eyeshadow palette with Morphe. Also, I am a little sick, so if you hear me, my hideous voice, it's really ugly and weird and it's not the same one as my other videos. It means that I'm actually sick. Let's get started.
Anytime I ever use anything here on my channel, you guys, do not feel like you have to go with the exact same thing. You can recreate this with whatever you have at home.
I don't have that palette. I have similar ones from Morphe that I literally have 4 Morphe eyeshadow palettes right here. This one's the 350M palette and this one's the 35U palette. They're so big, I'm trying to squish them. She used the 3502 palette. I'm gonna use this one. This is the 350M palette and I'm gonna be going in towards the orange shades that she used. And if I need more orange, I know that I'm gonna use either this one or this one, and this is the 35B palette. In the video she did her foundation and her concealer. I don't know how this look is gonna turn out, so I'm gonna start with my eyes and then move on to the rest of my face. Shall we use the fingers? Okay, she took like a cream-ish color and a light orangey peachy color. I'm gonna take this color, which is something similar to what she used, and I'm also gonna mix it in with this orangey color.
All right, so I was gonna go ahead and put that right in the crease of the eye and start buffing that outward. If you don't have a defined crease, that's the beauty of makeup. You can create a crease for yourself. Just do the exact same motions and your makeup will turn out great.
Orange already, like what the heck?
And if you want to make this super Okay, now I'm going to take this shade right here in the second row, second one in. It's like a really deep kind of poopy brown color. But I love it. I love me some poopy and some pukey brown. I think this one was the one
that she called pukey. I'm going to go for this one.
For top what we just did in that outer
I'm gonna go
crease
now
area.
with the M433 and I'm going to take that pukey color.
And make sure after applying every color, when you basically have nothing left on your brush, you always like just bring that upward and make sure that everything is really blended together. Alright, I'm just going to use some translucent powder and
wait girl, wait! You went too fast!
Alright, now I'm going to grab this gorgeous orange shade right here in the very center of the...
That looks intense. Orange. I think I'm gonna go for this one. It's the closest one that she kind of shows. Oh, she used the same brush.
Palette. And now I'm gonna take that and put that right over top again. For me, makeup, especially a smoky eye, is all about layering. This gorgeous, like intense, hot, kind of pinky red shade.
The closest ones that I had were from blushes, and I'm actually going to use them. So far, I'm kind of leaning towards this color.
I'm going to mix it with this orange shade in the center that I've been using, just because this all by itself is going to be a little bit too pink for the look that I'm going for. So mixing it and combining it with this one is going to make it a little bit more of like a terracotta red, and not as much of a smaller brush right now. I'm just going to put that right
mix it with that orangey color
there
like
in
she did
the crease area
and put it on the
crease
crease
area
area
this way and like a rainbow windshield wiper motion. one is so dirty
Okay,
right
I
now.
have her eyeshadow
I'm gonna go in with the shade Hunty right here, like
Let's
that
do
really.
that. Now I'm gonna go in with her eyeshadow palette.
Dirty right now.
Wow, it looks really vibrant in her eyeshadow. In her video. But it mess up with my contrast too for it to look more intense. She said she's going with that red right there, so I'm gonna go with that red right there. I just got it on my hands.
Really intense shimmery pink shade right here. It has a little bit of color shadow on it, because I was playing with it earlier. I'm gonna take that on a flat brush like this one right here.
She used a super red intense color, so I think the closest one that I have is this one right here. So I'm gonna use that one. And then she went in with the red. I'm Walmart and she's Chanel.
So now I'm going to grab my palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Royalty right here, which is this purple that basically perfectly matches my background. And then with the purple, I'm just going to...
Yes, I have her purples.
Right over top of that entire lid. I just wanted to lay that pink down first as a base because I wanted it... I'm going to take this matte purple right here. It's like kind of like a deep...
I do have a matte purple like that. Okay, so she used something similar to this one, so I'm gonna go in with, oh, I'm covering it, I'm sorry, with this color right here.
I'm gonna mix that with the shade Soda Pop from my palette, which is this super dark purple right here.
Soda Pop
almost looks like
this one right here. Pop. Soda Pop. Oh, now I see what you're saying, girl. You made like a dark purpley color.
That lid color.
Okay, I'm gonna take this, the M506 from Morphe, and I'm gonna take that light purpley color that she took.
I'm gonna dip back into that matte orange shade right there in the Morphe palette, and just really lightly, I'm going to go right over the edge.
Okay, she took a rose gold, this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for her eyeshadow palette and just put that one, the one first wash. She spritzed it with Fix Plus and she went right in, and that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna go for a much dark, let me see this one.
It's such a pretty color over top of this eye look because it kind of like complements the crease color and the purple and just kind of brings it all together and makes it one.
And now I'm gonna go in and do the rest of my face until I get to the concealer and I set everything and I bake, and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna do all that off camera. I look like a monster, but I'm gonna take a flat brush because I know that she did this and I want to do the same thing, and I'm gonna take a setting powder and just do that. Okay, that's better.
The matte orange right here from the Morphe palette, and then I'm also gonna grab the shade Hunty from my palette, which is right here. I'm gonna mix those two shades together.
Soda Pop.
I'm gonna take some gel liner. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio in the shade Black is Black.
I'm just gonna take an actual black liner.
Shade in Light, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner of my eye for a little highlight.
Okay, she put lashes. The lashes that I'm gonna put, they're not as fluffy as those. I do have ones that are like those, but I'm too lazy to look for them. This one's Kiss number 11 false lashes. Okay, she's using the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. I'm gonna use same one, but mine is not the same shades as hers. Hers are much lighter. So I'm gonna take this light color. She wants something similar to this color right here. So I'm gonna take that color. I don't have that highlight, but I'm gonna take Champagne Pop because she created this highlighter. So, oh, we're using the same brush. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. She puts it here. I don't know why, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm such an oily girl that I just don't. I didn't spritz it with Matte Fix Plus, and still this shines like a freaking diamond. I'm having a glow attack. She uses a pinky nude color.
Let's go ahead and grab the Kat Von D palette again with that. And this is the shade I Wish, and this is the shade One Day.
I think this is the closest one I have. I do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, but it's getting dark. I have no time to be mixing.
Alright, I'm just going to spray a little bit of setting spray on my face to
She said a little bit.
seal the deal over here. Just a little bit. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm done. Alright.
I love her. She's amazing. I love her. Alright, I don't have that setting spray. I need to get it, and I do want it because if she likes it, I'm going to like it too. I never spray like this so much, but since she did it, I have never done a video like this before. I feel accomplished, of course, because she's everything and I love her so much. I'm a huge fan of her and she's a true inspiration. Sorry if it was so long. This is the picture. I just paused the video and I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me tell you, I have been sitting here. It's currently 4:44 p.m. and I've been sitting here since like 1 o'clock, 1:30. It was worth it. I can't believe I did sort of pull it out. I'd say it looked really similar to her look. I think hers was a little bit darker. I think that's what I would say. Like, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and let me know if you guys want me to recreate another YouTuber's makeup tutorial, and I would be sure gladly to do it as well, all for you guys. Yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Oh my god, they're like sticky and it's because of the lip balm.